Namaste and good afternoon, my dear students. I hope all of you are very fine over there. Today, I would like to welcome once again in my social study class of grade 3. Okay, my dear students, before entering or starting our class, let me tell you what are we going to do today. I hope you already have seen the topic there. Topic is all about help in the family. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Today, as you can see, there is a chart. Yes, we are going to discuss on the chart paper. After that or before also we may go, there are some words and meaning which is related to the topic, right? And after that there is something, okay, that I will paste here something that is just like question answer, and you have to think answer and see the answer. Okay, so my dear students, before discussing about today's topic, let me do some revision of our previous class. Right? Do you remember what was the topic of our previous class? Yes, obviously you can. Yes, our topic was about my family. Yes, in that class we have already discussed about the family, importance of family, family members, their age and what types of work they do in your family. That all we have discussed, and I hope you have remembered it. Okay, then now today we are going to discuss about help in the family. From our previous class, we have already known that there are different types of work done by different family members, right? Okay, then today we are learning about the help or the types of help even you like small children you can provide to your parents or family members. Okay, so let's move towards it. So first of all, my dear students, words and meaning. Okay, these words and meaning might be related to our topic today. So shall we go for it? Very good, then listen here. Now what is the first word? Let's see. Okay, it is S-E-R-V-E, serve. My dear students, I would like to request you to read after me. Okay, S-E-R-V-E, serve. Right, what is it? Do you know the meaning? Do you have any guess? Okay, then let's see it. Okay, serve means to give somebody food or drink. Like for our grandparents, we can serve a glass of water, a cup of tea, even their food, right? Okay, the next word is also here, A-R-R-A-N-G-E, arrange. Once again, A-R-R-A-N-G-E, arrange. Do you know? Okay, to set something in right place. Like we arrange our clothes in the cupboard. Yes, we arrange can be similar meaning of manage to. Yes, we can manage our books and notebooks on the table, study table, right? Okay, next one is here, C-A-P-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y, capability. Once again for you, C-A-P-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y, capabilities. What does it mean? Have you heard this word before? Yes? Okay, if not, let's know the meaning of it. Okay, what do you mean by capabilities? Okay, ability or quality necessary to do something. Okay, the meaning of capability is ability or quality necessary to do something. Like we should have capability of cooking food, cleaning house, helping other people, isn't it? That means we should be able to provide different kinds of help to our family members, as we have already discussed there, right? Okay, the next word is R-E-S-P-O-N-S-I-B-L-E, What is it? Can you pronounce it? Okay, very good. Responsible. Okay. RESPONSIBLE, responsible. Then what's the meaning? Okay, let's see here. Dutiful or reliable. The meaning of responsible is being dutiful. That means doing our work on time. Right? Are you doing your all the work on time, my dear students? Okay, very good. Okay, you must be very dutiful. You have to do your work yourself. Not only that, if it is possible, if you are able, if you are capable, then you have to help other family members too. Right? Are you getting me? Very good then. Now the next one is also there. OBEY, away. OBEY, away. Yes, to do what you are told. Okay, the meaning of away is to do what you are told. Okay, your mother may be telling you something, father also may tell you something, isn't it? And other family members also, yeah. And if you do whatever they are telling, isn't it? That means you obey them. Okay, are you obeying your parents or not? Yes, you must obey. Okay, they are the senior one, yeah, elder than you, and they never think bad of you. So every time whenever your parents, grandparents or the elders tell you something, then you must obey them. You must do the things what are told by them, right? Okay, very good, very good. Then now let's move towards, in this chart I have written here the topic help in the family, and we know there are different members in the family, right? You also may have, isn't it? So here some family members have been written this side in colorful paper, isn't it? And next side some work or the help which we can provide to these family members have been written this side. So shall we go for discussion? Very good then. Listen here. So I hope all of you have grandfather in your family, right? Some you have or some might not be. It doesn't matter, okay? So listen here. If there is grandfather in your family, then what type of help you can provide him? Okay, let's know from here. Okay, provide medicine if he is sick. Listen here. Grandfather, he may be of very old age, isn't it? Times and again he may be falling sick. Yes, so how can you help him? You can provide him medicine whenever he is sick. Can you do that? Yes, why not? Obviously you can do, yes. And next one, providing a glass of water or a cup of tea. Grandfather of old age, he cannot move here and there times and again, isn't it? So you small children can also help him by giving him a glass of water when he is thirsty or a cup of tea, right? Okay, next one is helping in the garden. Okay, if grandfather is active, if he can do work around your house in your garden, then such time also you can help him. You can go to him and you can just see whatever unnecessary plants are growing there in the garden, isn't it? Yes, you can help in this condition also. Are you clear? Yes, help is very important to make our family happy, isn't it? So that here we have discussed how can you children help grandfather, even children can help to grandfather, right? So we have discussed here. Now after grandfather, there someone might have grandmother. Do you have or not? Yes, obviously you have, isn't it? So even we can help to our grandmothers too, right? So how to help? Okay, some few example I have noted here. So let's discuss. Help for in the kitchen. Okay, grandmother mostly she used to be busy doing different work in the kitchen. Yes, cooking food, preparing different kinds of dishes, isn't it? So what can we do? We even whenever we have free time, we can go to kitchen and we can help her. How to help there in the kitchen? You can do small work, like you can wash glass, small plates. Can you do it? Yes, why not? Okay. The next one is also here. Provide hot water, medicine if she is sick. Grandmother also may be of old age, isn't it? So sometime she may get sick also. During that time, how can you help her is that you can provide her hot water or glass of hot water. After that, even you can provide her medicine also. Isn't it? Okay, next one is help to clean her room and manage her things. See, my dear children, this grandfather, grandmother, they are of old age, isn't it? They are not too much active like other young people. So they might be needing help in different work. So sometime even grandmother needs your help to clean her room also. Yes, and even manage her things, her belongings. Yes, just like for example, she might have put on different dresses and it might be scattered in the room. What can you do that? You can just fold her clothes and you can manage the clothes in the cupboard. Can you do this for your grandmother? Yes, why not? Isn't it? You can do easily. Yes? So, after grandmother, father also might be there in the family, isn't it? Sometime father also may be needing your help. Okay, so how you can help him? Here are some points, some examples only are written here. Other more also you can do for them. Okay, for father, how can you help him is provide the things he needs like water, newspaper. Isn't it? Your father might be very much busy. Yes, he may be officer or some other occupation he might be doing, so that he might be busy in different work. So how can you help him? You can give him a glass of water. He may be searching newspaper to read early in the morning, isn't it? Then you can provide him newspaper also. Yes? Are these work difficult for you? No, they are not. They are very simple work. Yes? The next one here, help to clean house or the surrounding. See, my dear students, sometime or during the holidays, even your father may be cleaning your house or outside the house, your surrounding. Yes? In that case also, how can you provide help? Can you help him there? Yes, why not, isn't it? You can go there and even you can help him to clean your house and the surrounding. Right? Okay, very good. The next one, search his things if misplaced. Okay. When people are very much busy, then you can forget something also, isn't it? So, when your father has kept some important thing somewhere and he has forgotten the place, during that time, how can you help him? You can help to search the things. Can you do it? Yes, very good, isn't it? Now, after father, mother is there in the family, right? So, mother is also very much busy there every time, isn't it? And I know some of your mothers, they have been working outside the home also and even inside the home also. Yes, all the household activities also she might be doing and even she might be doing some occupation outside also. So that mother used to be very much busy every time. In that condition, you have to help your mother. That is your what? Duty also. Very good, yes. Okay, then how to help mother, okay? So here, help her in kitchen to bring water, cut vegetable or wash dishes. Yes. very hurriedly early in the morning when she gets up, isn't it? Then she will be busy in the kitchen preparing food for all the family members. Yes, and in that time, if you have free time, then you can go in the kitchen, you can help her to bring water from outside your house, to cut the vegetables, and even to wash small dishes. Can you do it? Yes, very good. Okay, then the next one, buying daily use goods like milk, biscuits. Yes, from early in the morning, day to day, we need different kinds of things, goods, right? So it will be very much difficult to your mother to run every time to shop. Yes, so what happened? If you have time, you can go there and you can buy the things which are needed. Like early in the morning, we need milk for tea, right? Then if mother is busy in some other work, then you yourself can go to shop and buy milk or biscuits. Can you do it? Yes, obviously you can do it. Okay, the next one is there, help to wash clothes. Yes, during the holidays or other days also, mother might be busy washing the clothes of all family members. Yes, during that time, even you can take part there. Even you can help her washing small clothes. Your own clothes also you can wash yourself and you can help her. Right? Next one is here, small brother and sister. In your family, there might be small brother and sister, right? Okay, then how to help them? Okay, some example are written here. Okay, guide them to do their homework or study. Yes, if your small brother and sister are there at your family, then how can you help them? They might be feeling some difficulties while doing homework or during study time also, isn't it? In that time, you can help them to do their homework, to do study, isn't it? Can you do it? Are you doing it? Okay, very good. The next one is also there. Help to manage their belongings. Small children, some might be very much naughty, isn't it? They may be throwing their belongings all over the room. Yes, in that condition, what happened? Yes, what can you do? You can help them to manage their belongings in the proper place. Even you can teach them where to keep the things properly, that you can teach them to the small brother and sister of your family. Right? Next one is also there. Make ready for their school. See, you might be grown up and there may be small brother and sister. They may be busy or playing. Isn't it? They like to play a lot. So they may be busy on playing. They do not care about the time. Yes, in such condition, how can you help them? You can remind them about the school time and even help them to make ready for their school. Yes, are you doing it? Very good, then keep on doing, okay? Now, my dear students, see at the bottom what I have written. Help yourself by helping your family. One sentence is written here. Help yourself by helping your family. By this sentence, what you have to understand is that if you have habit of helping your family members, that means you are helping yourself. How? Can you think how it is? Okay, let me tell you then. If you are helping different family members in different kinds of work, then what happens for you? Tell me what happens? Okay, yes, you learn to do that work. You will know how to do different work. And that is very important for your future life too. Right? If you go in the kitchen and help your mother, what happens? Then you will know what things are done there in the kitchen, how to do it, how to prepare food, isn't it? And if you help your father to clean your house, then you will know it, how to clean the house, isn't it? So this sentence is very much Good. Okay, you have to remember it every time. If we help other, then we are helping ourselves, because if we help other, we can learn many things. Yes, my dear students? Yes, very good. Okay, these are the few examples that we discussed. How can we provide different help to the different member of our family, which is very, very important to make our family happy, right? And even it is very important to us to learn about the new thing, new work, right? Now, what to do? I have already told in the beginning, there is something to think and answer. Okay, are you ready for it then? Okay, right there. So here I have got some paper, okay, and something is written here. Some conditions are here. We are going to have a short discussion on it, okay? And for it, you have to think and answer, right? Okay, can you see it? Very good then, very good. It's fine. Okay, let's discuss about it, okay? Now, see here. What will you do if there is some such condition? Whenever you have to do some work, then what will you do? That is the condition here, okay? What will you do if someone knocks at your door? Listen, this is a question for you. What will you do? Okay, let me clarify you. Someday when you are busy playing something, yes, and other family members, they are busy doing their work, and at the same time there is a knock at the door. What will you do? Will you call for your mother to open the door? Is that fine? No, it is not, isn't it? If you do that, then you are not good children, because you are not helping to your family members. Yes, it is very simple work. Even you can go there and you can open the door and see who is there knocking the door. Yes, and if there is someone, then after you can call for your parents, your father or mother. Yes? Okay, now next one. Let's move to next condition there, okay? What will you do if someone failed? Okay, now let's move towards next one, okay? There is a condition, someone left the tap open. That is from your house. In your house, maybe someone or some family members, they are in so much hurry that unknowingly they left the tap open. What will you do? You will go, let the water run away? Should you do like that? No, you should not do like that, because water is very important for our survival. It is one of the basic needs of all living things, right? So that you have to save water. In that condition, what will you do? Can you close the tap? Yes, why not? It is very much easy work. Yes? Okay, the next one is also here. Okay, if the light of a room is on and no one is inside. Okay, your family member, they have forgotten to put off the light of your room or the room of your house. Then what can you do? How can you help in such condition? You can go there and you can put off the light. Can you do it? Yes, very easy work, isn't it? Okay, my dear students, I hope all of you are listening very carefully to me. And only listening is not fine. Okay, you have to apply whatever we have discussed here today. You have to use this in your life too. Okay, at your home with your family members. Not only family members, if you are out of the house and someone is in need of help, during that time also you have to help even unknown people also. Okay, helping other is a very good quality of human being. So, we must have such good quality to be a good person. Okay, so telling this much, now I am signing out from here, and in next class we will be again here discussing about new topic. Okay, till that time, be safe and happy with your family. Thank you.